Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope everyone will be fine. So friends, I am from Driver Jobs in Toronto, Canada from Facebook page and YouTube page. So guys, in this video I will show you how to get jobs in Toronto and how to apply. So it's very easy and simple process. So this time now I am showing today's latest job. So guys, this is new and updated job. Urgent AZ drivers required in Toronto. So guys, let's check out the details and requirement for the job. Urgent AZ drivers required in Toronto, need minimum 10 months valid experience. Toronto to BC team, Toronto to Montreal solo, Toronto to Alberta team. Brampton to New York, Georgia dedicated run good miles, 3000 to 3500 miles per week, solo work. USA team run available dedicated, need minimum 1 year experience, direct deposit payment, need and clean truck. So guys, these are the details and requirement for the job. So guys, urgently AZ drivers required, Toronto to BC, Toronto to Montreal and Toronto to Alberta. So guys, if anyone interested in this job, so you must have a previous experience, minimum 1 year experience and valid 10-month valid experience. Then you can eligible for this job and you can easily apply. So guys, 3000 to 3500 miles per week. So guys, salary and benefit not mentioned in the details, so it will be discussed at the time of interview. So guys, if anyone interested in this job, so you can easily apply and contact this number. So guys, if you have any question about this job, so you can easily ask question. So guys, I hope you understand. So guys, this link is very helpful for you. So if anyone who can search more jobs related to your criteria and experience, so you can visit our Facebook page and you can also visit our website. In this website, daily basis job update and many categories job available in the website. So you can easily visit and search jobs and you can easily apply. So first of all, you will watch this video. This video is very helpful for you to apply any job. So guys, I hope you understand this step and process, so it's very easy. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new updated video notification. So guys, thank you. Thanks for watching.